everyone, and welcome to the Center for Respite Care's 2024 Transformation Awards. My name is Liz Bonus, and I'm the health anchor and medical reporter for WKRC TV, Local 12 News. And I'm also a longtime friend of the Center for Respite Care. It's quite an honor today to serve as your MC and to share with you the center's mission to provide quality, holistic medical care to people experiencing homelessness and who need a safe place to heal while assisting them in breaking the cycle of homelessness. Clients are helped to transform their lives physically, mentally, emotionally during their recuperation. Now, this is all accomplished through the work of the center's dedicated staff and the many relationships that have been built with partnering individuals and organizations throughout our community. With your generous monetary support and volunteer activities, the center is celebrating 21 years of giving hope, restoring health, and transforming lives. Today, we are honoring those who have contributed to our clients through their actions and have made a positive difference in the lives of people in our greater Cincinnati community. They are Respite Care Providers Network, which is part of the National Institute for Medical Respite Care, Cincinnati's late anchor and reporter John Lomax, and WKRC TV 12. Over the Rhine Community Housing, and our two volunteers of the year, Miss Mary Sheldon and Sister Therese DelGenio of the Sisters of Notre Dame de Namur. The Center for Respite Care could not exist without the generous support of our sponsors and donors. The impact of your donations are life-changing for individuals and the community. As the program progresses, we do want to let you know that there is a donate button on your screen. And now, we'd like to recognize our sponsors for the 2024 Transformation Awards.
Our healing sponsors, Amy and George Joseph. Our holistic sponsors, Diane and Bob Hauser, and Anonymous. And our honor sponsors are Bartlett Wealth Management with Angela Raff and Brian Antonucci, and the PNC Foundation. Please note these additional sponsors. We're extremely grateful to each of them.
Your support is what allows the center to continue its life-changing mission. Thank you to all of you for your positive impact on our clients. And now, please welcome CEO Laurel Nelson as she describes what makes the Center for Respite Care unique to Cincinnati.
Hamilton County offers numerous providers and services for people experiencing homelessness. But we are unique in that we are the only organization that cares for adults experiencing homelessness that have been released from medical facilities without a place to go where they can continue to heal. Medical Recovery to Independence, our 24-hour, 20-bed program, is located in the heart of Over the Rhine. We work in collaboration with over 30 agencies, including NeighborHub Health, to provide a healing environment and a team to assist with the transition to stability and healthy living.
For people experiencing homelessness, they have twice the number of acute and chronic medical illnesses as housed people do. This often means that they'll end up in the emergency room and then often enough in the hospital. And when they're released, either to the streets or to a shelter, they are not able to get the kind of care they need to recover. They end up back in the emergency room and then maybe back in the hospital, and that whole revolving door keeps happening. Here at the Center for Respite Care, we offer people a chance to recover. They have a place to have medical care 24/7, food, shelter, a way to get to their appointments, everything they need to get better.
Every client who walks through our doors is greeted with care, compassion, and respect, with concern for who they are as a person and for what they are experiencing physically and emotionally. When clients arrive at the Center for Respite Care, they are welcomed by our medical team. They are given an in-depth assessment, and a recovery plan is created specifically for them. Each client's plan is educational in nature, designed to teach them about their own acute and often chronic condition or illness, as well as how to effectively treat and manage their physical and emotional well-being. Self-care education is a critical part of their success. The medical staff works in conjunction with the caseworkers and the client as a team. Using an extensive social needs assessment, the case management staff bridges the gap between medical recovery and stable placement, making sure that once someone is discharged, they have what they need for self-sufficiency, independence, and a place to call home.
Case managers help restore lost paperwork, IDs, and other critical documents, and we work with the client to create realistic job and housing goals for post-recovery. The center provides our clients with opportunities for socialization, recreation, and education regarding healthy living, and assistance navigating any applicable supportive service in the wider local community. The center has established relationships with over 30 organizations in the greater Cincinnati area, providing various health services, substance use and mental health treatment, housing and furniture needs, and other supportive service to low-income, underserved populations.
By addressing the inherent connection between our clients' health and the social influences upon their lives, the center seeks to address not only medical recidivism, but also the cycle of homelessness that affects our clients. The center's wonderful and dedicated volunteers provide a variety of services that touch the hearts and souls of our clients. These impactful services include providing meals for our clients, sharing learning and leisure activities, sharing one-on-one time, providing therapy dog visits, and leading wish list drives. This volunteer support is integral to the center's success. For 21 years, the Center for Respite Care has continued to grow and evolve our unique services to better serve our clients, over 1,800 individuals to date. All of our services begin with one person in need, but as we help that person heal, a ripple effect is felt that can help that person, their family and friends, and the community.
Well, being on the board and being a client is a very, very good chance for me to turn around my life and being something in life. Now I feel like I'm special to someone. I'm very, very proud to be in the center here with good staff people, caring people, loving people, and helping out people. And mostly you have to be here to do stuff for yourself. They'll guide you, but you got to be here for yourself.
I think it's a God blessing to be here, especially with all the people that have volunteered to help out. Sister Marie and Sister Therese have been working wonderful with me with my reading. Whatever problems they can help, they try their best to help out so that we can get better, and be able to provide either for ourselves or like me, who have a child. I have a 3-year-old. So they've been helping me try to learn how to provide for me and him.
The center is a heaven-sent place. Without the center, I would probably not be here right now. Between the volunteers, the staff, everything they do, they go over and above the call of duty. When they sit down, they got this ability to put you in a bubble and talk to you. They lift you up, they help you out. I mean, it'll be something in my heart for the rest of my life.
We hope this information provides insight into what occurs on a daily basis and the amount of work and commitment it takes to fulfill the Center for Respite Care's mission to transform lives for the better. Together, we can do so much more.
Thank you, Laurel. And now, the 2024 Transformation Awards, and honoring those individuals and organizations that we recognize as transformational in the lives of others. They've done something exceptional to make a difference. Our first Transformation Award recipient is the Respite Care Providers Network, which is part of the National Institute for Medical Respite Care. The Center for Respite Care's Chief Advancement Officer, Ed Slater, describes RCPN's mission.
As a part of the National Institute of Medical Respite Care, the Respite Care Providers Network was established to provide support, resources, and technical assistance to more than 160 new and existing medical respite programs across the country. The steering committee, populated by members of the network, was formed to facilitate this support via activities such as the development of strategic plans, educational seminars, and topic-focused work groups. The Respite Care Providers Network meets monthly to keep all providers abreast of new state and federal developments and disseminate information about new resources. The steering committee also meets monthly and conducts an in-person conference once a year. The Respite Care Providers Network, RCPN, is the preeminent national voice for those who are simply too ill to recover in the streets. They support the development of new and existing medical respite care programs through education, client advocacy, networking, and research. They have also been a key partner to the Center for Respite Care.
Hi, Caitlin. Thank you for joining me. On behalf of the Center for Respite Care, I'd like to present to you the 2024 Transformation Award to honor the Respite Care Providers Network. The Respite Care Providers Network is celebrating 20 years of providing support and assistance to medical respite programs all across the country.
Thank you so much, Lori. As the staff liaison for the National Healthcare for the Homeless Council's Respite Care Providers Network, I'm thrilled to accept the Transformation Award from the Center for Respite Care. The Respite Care Providers Network, or RCPN, is a membership organization whose mission is to improve the health status of individuals experiencing homelessness by supporting programs that provide medical respite care and related services. The Center for Respite Care has been an essential member of the RCPN, including serving on its steering committee in addition to their work locally in Cincinnati. The work of the RCPN has focused on advocacy as well as providing support and resources for medical respite care programs across the country so that organizations like the Center for Respite Care can provide quality services and support the needs of our unhoused neighbors. The RCPN is honored to receive the Transformation Award, recognizing their commitment to the National Healthcare for the Homeless Council's mission of building an equitable, high-quality healthcare system through training, research, and advocacy in the movement to end homelessness.
Congratulations to the Respite Care Providers Network. Our next recipient is the late anchor and reporter, our very own John Lomax and WKRC TV 12.
John Lomax spent most of his career as a Channel 12 anchor. Shortly after he established himself at the station, his bosses used Lomax frequently to fill in on the anchor desk, including a 6-month stint as the weekend sports anchor. For November sweeps in 1990, his temporary assignment to co-anchor Good Morning Cincinnati with Jill Kelly became permanent when the early newscast was only 1 hour. Lomax called himself one of the last 80s kids, hired under anchor managing editor Nick Clooney. This group provided the reports that helped Clooney's 11 p.m. newscast end Al Shuttlecotty's 22-year streak at #1 for WCPO. When those co-workers moved on, Lomax became the newsroom mentor for matters on the air and off the air, earning him the Godfather nickname. We are grateful that Channel 12 has been the longtime media partner of the Center for Respite Care. Channel 12 has helped to create community-wide awareness about who we are and what we do. They support our effort to share our mission with the public, as we are the only local organization that cares for adults experiencing homelessness when they are ill and need a place to recover.
Sheila and Bob, I'd like to present this award in memory of John Lomax. I'd like to thank you for everything that Local 12 has done for the Center for Respite Care and everything that John has done for our community.
Thank you, Laura.
Thank you so much, Laura.
I don't think a day goes by where we don't think of John Lomax in that studio. And whether you knew John Lomax as a member of your family or one of your very good friends or a coworker or just someone in this community, he had an impact on your life in some way. And I know this would mean an incredible amount to him.
It meant a lot for John to get out to events like the event for the Center for Respite Care and so many other community organizations around the tri-state for 38 years on behalf of Local 12. And to a person, people still come up to Bob and me and they say that John took time for them and he made them feel special. So you have made his memory even more special to us. And we just want to thank you so much on behalf of Local 12.
Thanks again.
Congratulations, John Lomax, and just so you know, we miss you every day. Our next recipient is Over the Rhine Community Housing.
Over the Rhine Community Housing is a nonprofit community development organization that provides a wide spectrum of affordable and supportive housing options with life-changing programs that help their residents succeed. For over 4 decades, OTRCH has never wavered from its commitment to build a sustainable, diverse neighborhood that values and benefits low-income residents. Create an inclusive community in this evolving historic district. Advocate on behalf of its residents. To meet this mission, OTRCH has restored over 90 properties, 520 housing units, and assembled a broad mix of 20-plus service providers, agency partners, and volunteers to ensure that residents receive affordable housing along with access to health care, job services, education, faith-based services, and community associations that strengthen their ability to succeed.
Mary, on behalf of the Center for Respite Care, I'd like to present you with this 2024 Transformation Award for you and for Over the Rhine Community Housing. We are so grateful for the work that you do providing homes for those that need them the most. And we know housing is health.
Thank you, Laurel. On behalf of the board and staff of Over the Rhine Community Housing, I'm honored to receive this recognition from our partners and neighbors at the Center for Respite Care. Our mission at Over the Rhine Community Housing is to develop and manage resident-centered affordable housing to build inclusive community and benefit low-income residents. Our values recognize that housing is a basic human right and must be available to all. We believe that all people deserve dignified housing and that housing and support must be available to the most vulnerable members of our community. All persons are respected and valued. Over the Rhine Community Housing's mission, vision, and values fully align with the work of the Center for Respite Care. We are proud to be part of the caring community that is being celebrated tonight. We stand with the Center for Respite Care and, like you, will keep on keeping on, providing housing and support, and along the way, igniting hope in ourselves and in our neighbors. Thank you.
Congratulations to Over the Rhine Community Housing. Next, we honor our Volunteers of the Year, starting with Miss Mary Sheldon, a leading community volunteer who is active at the Center for Respite Care.
The Center is pleased to announce that Mary Sheldon is one of our 2 Volunteers of the Year. She first heard about the Center as a member of Hyde Park Community United Methodist Church, one of the Center's staunch community partners. Mary has been a regular volunteer for the past 15 years. During that time, she has assisted with holiday decorating, providing monthly meals, and coordinating client activities like movie nights and bingo, with prizes donated by friends and church members. Thanks so much to Mary Sheldon for her time, energy, and passion for the Center. She improves the lives of our clients and our staff. We congratulate her as one of the 2024 honorees, a stellar Volunteer of the Year.
Mary, on behalf of the Center for Respite Care, I'd like to present you with this 2024 Transformation Award for Volunteer of the Year. Your dedication and service that you provide to our clients is immeasurable. We could not do it without you.
Thank you, Laurel. It is my privilege to be a part of this organization. The Center for Respite Care staff bring their caring, compassionate smiles and expertise to the clients each day. I am amazed to see how the clients' lives change as they heal in so many ways and look forward to entering the community in a safe living environment. It's a joy to spend time here and to offer donations of food, clothing, and other supplies. May your mission continue to demonstrate mercy and compassion for all. Thank you.
Congratulations, Mary. And our final honoree today is volunteer Sister Therese DelGenio of the Sisters of Notre Dame de Namur.
Sister Therese is a member of the Sisters of Notre Dame de Namur. Because of her long history of ministry as an educator in the U.S. and Kenya, and her work among those who are disenfranchised, Sister Therese brings a Swiss Army knife of skills on behalf of the center's clients. Spiritual advisor, addiction counseling, facilitating arts and crafts events, assistance with organizing clients' personal paperwork, and soliciting donations to purchase household items for those leaving the program. She is a Volunteer of the Year whose longtime efforts contribute to the heartbeat of the Center for Respite Care.
Sister Therese, I'd like to present you with this 2024 Transformation Award for Volunteer of the Year. We are so grateful for the dedication and service you provide to our clients. We could not do it without you.
Thank you so very much, Laura. The word that comes to my mind about this experience is amazing. I am amazed when interacting with the clients to learn about the physical and emotional sufferings they are experiencing as they arrive at Respite Care Center, ill and homeless. I am amazed by the center's care staff who work 24/7 and offer wraparound services, guidance, and encouragement to clients as they heal and come to new life and hope. And I am amazed at the honor of being recognized for my presence and service. Believe me, I love being here, and I have received far more than I have given. Thank you for this Treasured Transformation Award.
Congratulations, Sister Therese. From our hearts to yours, we want to thank our volunteers and all of our 2024 Transformation Award winners. Your caring actions make Cincinnati a better place to live. To all of the staff, volunteers, and friends of the center, thank you for your dedication and support. With your help, the Center for Respite Care has continued to evolve, grow, and serve for 21 years, creating hope and transforming lives. We sincerely thank all of our sponsors and all of you who have clicked on the donate button to help us continue. Your generosity is vital to the success of our mission. Thank you.
Thank you to our donors. We appreciate your support.